This is the best typing experience you can get without having to build a custom keyboard. Meet the Keychron Q1 Max. It's built with a hefty aluminum case, and this one has Gator and Jupiter Brown switches. Without any modifications, it sounds nice and creamy. Take a listen. On top there are toggles for different connections, such as Bluetooth and wireless modes. The RGB is fully customizable, and any key, including the knob, can be adjusted with the Keychron software. If you want a quality keyboard for productivity or gaming without having to build or modify anything, the Keychron Q1 Max is the #1 option.